what's up? It's Jamie. So I want to share a new product today that I just received yesterday. It's the Firefly from Kondor Blue. It's a really cool little DTAP powered light that you can use for on location or on camera. I can't tell you how many times I've been in a low light setting and I'm, trying to like lean my phone with the camera light up against something to try to see what I'm doing or manipulate the camera. This thing is really awesome because it plugs right into a V-mount DTAP port, and then you can turn it on. And it's got variable settings, so if you hold it down, it'll get dimmer. Also, it'll do different colors, so you can turn it on full setting and then double click, and it'll go tungsten, red, blue, and like a darker blue. And then back to the original. You can also click to dim, so when you turn it on, you click once, it'll go a little bit dimmer, and then once again for the dimmest setting. Then you can turn it off again. But it's got this little flexible cord, little flexi arm, so you can kind of position it wherever you want on the camera. It also comes with a little grid that goes in here. I don't necessarily know that I would use the grid as much as I'll use this, ambient light. It's a really cool product. I ordered it, I don't know, had to have been a year ago, and it took them a while to get it fulfilled, but I think they have them in stock now. And it's just, it's a really cool little piece of kit because I always have V-mount batteries around. And again, there's numerous scenarios where I'm, getting a camera ready and it's backstage or in an area of low light, and I need just a little bit of light just to be able to see what I'm doing, whether it's manipulating camera controls or going through my case looking for something. This is really awesome, and it solves a bunch of problems for me. So anyway, that's the Firefly light from Kondor Blue. Definitely check them out. I think they're like, I don't know, 70 or 80 bucks. And again, it's a really cool product. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.